So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once we're here, you want to find your laptop Wi-Fi. Make sure that it's actually been enabled. If it says disabled for you, then you want to right click on it and then click on enable. Make sure that your laptop Wi-Fi has been enabled. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems with your network, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your laptop in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right now. And this should now fix your problem.